quantity 32 divided by 8 cube plus quantity 4 times 5 divided by 2 squared divided by 5. Okay, so ang susundin nating rule dito ay yung tinatawag na PEMDAS. Unahin daw natin yung may parenthesis, tapos exponent. Okay, so dalawa yung may parenthesis natin. Unahin natin itong may parenthesis. Okay, so unahin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, tapos MDAS ang susundin natin. Ibig sabihin, same ang multiplication at division from left to right. Yan. Okay, so 32 divided by 8, pwede nang ma-divide ito. 32 divided by 8, we have 4. So we have 4 cube. And then plus, unahin natin yung multiplication dito from left to right. May multiplication and division. So 4 times 5, we have 20. Just copy divided by 2 squared divided by 5. Okay, so dahil magkabukod ng parenthesis, pwede na nating i-evaluate ito. 4 cube, ibig sabihin 4 times 4 is 16 times another 4. We have 64 plus, divide natin ito, 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10. And then we have squared divided by 5. Okay, so next we have 64 plus 10 squared, that is equal to 100. 10 times 10 is 100. Then we have divided by 5. So we have addition and division. Uunahin natin ang division dahil PEMDAS. Una yung division. Okay? So we have 64 plus 100 divided by 5. That's equal to 20. So final answer, 64 plus 20 equals 84. So therefore, letter B. Follow for more.